Are you looking for a commercial investment? Saffrey Square is the perfect opportunity to own a piece of Nassau's thriving business district. Saffrey Square sits directly on Bay Street, only steps from the recently revitalized $300 million cruise ship port and historic Parliament Square. Rebuilt in 1975, this 56,000 square foot building has been a key part to Nassau's bustling business district. The ground floor features over 10,000 square feet of highly visible retail space directly on Bay Street. The upper three floors of Saffrey Square provide 30,000 square feet of flexible office space, offering steady rental income for the investor. Amenities of the building include a full-service standby generator, elevator, air conditioning, fiber optic connectivity, multiple entrance points, and hurricane protection. With strong construction and an excellent location, Saffrey Square is a great investment opportunity. Don't miss your chance to secure this commercial space in downtown Nassau. Call us today.